I am running. I am running. Your turn. Now you say it. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. Your turn. Now you say it. I am jumping. I am walking. I am walking. Your turn. Now you say it. I am walking. I am hopping. I am hopping. Your turn. Now you say it. I am hopping. I am skipping. I am skipping. Your turn. Now you say it. I am skipping. I am sliding. I am sliding. Your turn. Now you say it. I am sliding. I am climbing. I am climbing. Your turn. Now you say it. I am climbing. I am playing. I am playing. Your turn. Now you say it. I am playing. I am swinging. I am swinging. Your turn. Now you say it. I am swinging. I am kicking the ball. I am kicking the ball. Your turn. Now you say it. I am kicking the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball. Your turn. Now you say it. I am throwing the ball. I am catching the ball. I am catching the ball. Your turn. Now you say it. I am catching the ball. I am riding a bicycle. I am riding a bicycle. Your turn. Now you say it. I am riding a bicycle. I am flying a kite. I am flying a kite. Your turn. Now you say it. I am flying a kite. I am playing in the park. I am playing in the park. Your turn. Now you say it. I am playing in the park. Great job! Keep practicing these sentences every day. See you in the next video. Bye! For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, Kairos Learning Center.